of rain over the last 24 hours, mainly across the Permian Basin. I know we don't usually get a whole lot of that rainfall. Now, there are multiple flash flood warnings from earlier today that have expired. Thank goodness, too, as that rain is calming down. But I want to show you guys the stuff just along Highway 87 and near 137. Look at all that heavy rainfall. That's going to be that yellow. That's going to be closer to about that 8 to 10 inch mark just to the north of Lenora and south of Lamesa. We're still seeing a lot of that purple, a lot of that red. So that's going to be right around that 3 to 5 inch marker as well along Highway 349 heading into Midland and 385 heading up from Odessa up toward Andrews. So plenty of rainfall. Now the sun is starting to come out. That's going to help evaporate away a lot of these little lingering water puddles, anything on the roadways. This is going to be the best case scenario. Temperatures are going to be warming up as a result, so I'm not too surprised. And you throw in the humidity, yeah, it's going to feel a lot warmer as well. We got flood watch in effect until 1 a.m. tonight, so still almost a little less than 12 hours. I can't do the mental math right away, but you know what? Flash flood warning mainly along Presidio to Big Bend with a flood warning along the Rio Grande. I've actually been seeing some videos of the Rio Grande actually spilling over. That's how much rain has continued to fall. Now, across the Permian Basin, actually getting a lot better. Now, New Mexico still getting a little bit of stuff. Staying north of Kermit, though, nothing really affecting us. But Odessa, Midland, Big Spring, finally catching a bit of a break. Farther down south you go. Doesn't seem very active, but keep in mind the radar can't see this far away from the site. So anything you do see tends to be on the heavier side. So that flash flood warning is staying in effect until 7 o'clock tonight. 40% chance of those showers and thunderstorms kind of lingering around into the afternoon and evening. Now, that doesn't surprise me too much, but with that cloud cover, still expect those temperatures to really not take a tumble all that much. For tomorrow, I give it kind of a so-so, basically. 80 degrees by around 10 o'clock. Partly cloudy skies are expected, but let's break down that future track real quick. So more of a westerly flow. So you're going to see a little bit more showers and storms right along our western counties, high elevations, and much of New Mexico. But then tomorrow morning, okay, it starts to clear up just a touch, bit of that cloud cover. Into the afternoon, we get a quick little round across Midland, Odessa around 7 o'clock. And then it looks to be clear. As a matter of fact, some of the other models are showing clear conditions or relatively clear conditions by 10 o'clock tomorrow night, which is going to be perfect. Saturday looks to be relatively meh, nothing crazy, but still those lingering rain chances. Not a whole lot of predictability on when and where the stuff is going to be because let's be realistic. Its models have been all over the place lately. So I'm just going to put in general 30 to 20% coverage. Temperatures starting to warm back up too. But once it really warms up, well, we don't have to worry about that flooding anymore. Crystal?
All right. Thanks, Jordan. Celebrating the 4th with fireworks.